Hello there, welcome back again to this new tutorial, which is a part 2 of the last tutorial I put up into this channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for always tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, please kindly subscribe and turn your notification bell on so as to get notified each time I upload new videos. So guys, this is the like I said earlier, this is the part 2, and here is the sleeve. I'm already cutting it on the other paper just to achieve the two sleeve. So this is the part I'll be using as the design for this sleeve part. So after cutting out this, now I'll start sketching out the basket design that I want to make. From the midpoint, I will go in from the midpoint, then I will mark 1.5 inches, just like I did for the neck part. So it's just like a rectangular shape, which is a box shape. So just go along with me as I take you through all the process, and this will be taking time because I made this in 2 days, 2.5 days. Yes, I make this lovely Bubu gown amidst other dresses. I made this for just 2.5 days, so for my clients. And here is the best way you can, you can actually achieve it. Yes, I'll take the yoke now, and here is the yoke, and this is the straps I've made. This is 2 inches wide, and I folded it and I gave it a good press, and it is now 1/2 inch. So I'm going to be showing you how best you can do it from the armhole area at your shoulder side. You place it like so, the way I'm doing here. So you pin it down. It's either you pin it down or I'm just pinning this down now just to make it clear or a better understanding for you guys. So I'll cut this out now. So you don't need to really cut this out. You can actually do this on your machine after cutting, just to save your fabric and your straps. So now this is the way you first go about it: stitching down the opening side, just one stitches. You need just one stitches to stitch it down, like the way you're seeing in that folded area where I fold. So you do this, and then you do likewise to the sleeve part. You go firstly, you go round it before taking it from the chest and the rest. So I'll go and come back now. This is it. As you can see, I already made everything on a rectangular shape, which is the horizontal side. So now is now time to be doing it in a vertical way. So on this side now, you're going to be, as you can see on this yoke, you're going to be stitching it like so. Then you stitch it in two sides of the straps, just to make your design looks good. So I'll go now and I'll come back and show you all how it's done. So now here is it. I already stitched it. This video is a very long one, but just to make it short and well detailed, I had to put some of the clips of. And here is it. I already stitched the yoke. After doing everything, I stitched the yoke to the dress and the sleeve into the into the bodies also for the sleeve part. So now this is the strap I already made. As you know, is 2 inches wide, and after folding it and giving it a good press to become half an inch. Here is how it's looking. It's almost done. So after sewing it in a vertical way, as you can see, it's been sewn on the 2 lines. When you're sewing it from the other side. So here is it. I already stitched it to the bodies of the bubu, and I top stitched both the back and the front side, and including the sleeve parts, just to make it look good. And this is the pocket. I already put the pocket into the bubu dress. So now the next thing I will do, as you can see the neckline, I already made these bias round the neckline after stitching the whole of the straps. So now the next thing I will do is putting these straps round the sleeve, and then I'll flip the dress to the wrong side. So as you can see me doing, after I might have finished with the straps, then I'll take it like so with the desired measurement I already made. So I'll stitch down everything with 1 inches down to this to the down part of the bubu gown. So I'll measure like 20 to 22 inches upwards. So that is where the slit will be starting. So I'll just go up by 20 inches. You can go up as much as you can. So, and then I'll close it, and that will be all for the dress part. So I'll go now, come back, and then I'll show you how it comes out. So this is it after stitching everything. Here is the complete part of the sewing. As you can see, I already closed it, and that is the slits. You can see how lovely this is looking. This is the pocket is fully closed. Every other stitches are fully closed. Taking out the papers, this may take you time to do, and you have to just do it in a concentrating way so that your job will be neat. So guys, if you haven't registered for my ongoing class, please kindly contact the number on the screen, as you can see, or contact me via my email address for all your desired online training. So I teach on how to make wedding dresses and any female styles you want to, feel to contact me. And again, I have upcoming class. I have ongoing class already. If you want to partake in it, you can contact me, and I'll be so glad to hear from you. So guys, here is the basket design. As you can see, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any question regarding this tutorial. I'll be so pleased to reply you, and comment also where you're watching this video from, and share it to whoever you think needs it. Thank you so much for always tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Turn your notification bell on so as to get notified each time I upload new videos. Can you see how lovely this design comes out? So I'll be stoning this, and again I'll be trimming all threads out. As you can see, the beautiful basket design is out, and kindly pardon me, I may be putting this on my story or community post soon, just because my clients haven't wear it and there was no time putting it on the mannequin just to show you guys. But as you can see, definitely this is the main style and design. Here is this the seam area for the sleeve. As you can see how lovely that looks already. So guys, thank you once more for staying by, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. So don't forget to enroll on my ongoing class and my upcoming class too. So till I see you again in the next video. And if you also have any design or challenging of any style you will want me to put up here, you can also comment that on my on this under this video. So guys, thank you once more. Till I see you again in the next one. Bye.